birthday love. Check it out, y'all. What? Look at that, y'all. It don't get no better than that. It don't get no better than that. You did. You see that artwork, y'all? That's artwork. It is not called you little poke thing. You see that, y'all? Look, she know I like Doritos. She got my Doritos in there, y'all, with the Cool Ranch. Cool Ranch code. Okay, yeah. You see my cake? You see my cake, y'all? What? Yeah, that's love. Yeah. Uh-huh. Look at that. Ta-da! And that's all the see daddy, all the what? Man, that's love right there, y'all. I don't get no better than that. See? That's what I'm talking about. Bam. Bam. Y'all don't see that? Yeah. Ta-da.
Now Mia.
Lord, the oldest one be acting like the littlest one. What mean? What mean?
Let me read it.
Okay. Good Lord. Crazy girl. You can't you jealous of your little sister.
No. I'm just saying.
You be jealous.
Now
You
let
jealous.
now let
You
me read one.
jealous.
I want to
Okay.
read the part I wrote.
Okay, well you better read it to me then.
Okay.
Talk to me.
Happy birthday, Big Head. I love you so much. You always know how to cheer me up and make me laugh. Have a good birthday, Dad.
Hey, that's me. That's me. Bam. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that card? That's a pretty card. That is so pretty. You did see what I say? Yeah. Y'all see that? Y'all see it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a dad.
Mommy
You
said she
did.
gonna read her card when
You
she
did.
cleaning up.
Uh-huh. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? That's what I'm talking about. That's love. You did. Boom, bada bing, baby. Happy birthday to who? Not donor. It's a daddy, not donor. You did?
Donor.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Check it out, y'all.
What is trash thing?
Check it out, y'all. No cap. That's what you call happy birthday to me.
That is trash.
Okay, but come on, man.
Alright, Mommy said she gonna come with your room in a minute.
Oh, I thought you said you were.
No, Mommy done.
What's up with it, y'all? What's up with it? Yeah, y'all see that birthday card? Yeah, for me. Hey, happy birthday to me. Yeah, pop out, y'all. What's up with it, y'all? Hey, if it ain't live, it ain't me. Ain't shit changed, y'all. Man, I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna keep my live going, y'all. What the hell this boy done did? Y'all know this boy tripping now. Big homie block. Boy, what the hell you doing painting your damn nails? You look a damn fool.
Think about the good times. That's what the boy.
Oh, shake it ducky, y'all.
You scared to read that one out loud? You want to see her to read it?
Ta-da, y'all see my another pretty card. Ah, nah, 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 nah.
Say husband at
Oh, shit. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, come on, CC. Oh, shit, she got a lot of now. Shit, I'm not gonna hear all this, girl. I'm trying to chill. She got a whole lot of my shit. Goddamn, what you thought you did? Shit, I just thought I was gonna look at the card and get some money. She wrote us this a big card. Shit, this a goddamn poetry. I was just trying to look at the card like, oh, look what I got, y'all. No, this card got a whole lot, y'all. This card, she wasn't playing. Uh-huh. Happy birthday to me. Hey, hey, hey. 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 Lord, this skinny me.
What part?
All right, y'all. It's birthday time. I'm finna put my birthday lights on.
It's
Shut
your
up.
birthday.
Shut up. She reading.
It's your birthday, and I love you. So of course, I want you to have the most wonderful day possible, full of everything that makes you the happiest. It's your birthday, and I love you. So I can't help looking back on all the times we shared and remembering
Boom.
all the smiles you brought me.
You hear
It's your
that?
birthday, and I love you. So
You hear
I'm
that?
wishing you the best of this